Hey guys, thanks for subscribing. We hope you enjoy this channel. We're doing a lot of fun things through the renovations, the DIYs. We're going to be doing question and answer periods. We're also going to be doing videos that you guys want to see. So send us an email, send us a comment, and we'll try our best to get those covered in videos. We also do a little bit of fun with Tasha, who's our office dog. So we got Tasha's Adventures, and she does have her own channel too if you want to check that out. Plus we do kind of an adventure side as well, because I like to get out into the woods and, get out and see nature. And so, there's some of those adventures as well. So this channel is mostly about construction and renovation, but there's a fun side of the adventures and the dog and stuff like that. So again, thank you for subscribing. And if you'd like to have us cover something, just send us an email, send us a comment, send us a suggestion, and we'd be happy to do that for you. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy.